Is Draven. Today I have a huge thrift haul, and it's actually going to be kind of like a DIY, or like the stuff I made to use my DIY Lydia Deetz bride costume. Of course, I'll probably have that in the title by now, so y'all know what kind of video it is. But yeah, so I have a pretty huge thrift haul today. It's mainly stuff from my Lydia Deetz costume. I did grab a few things that I thought were cute and I liked a lot, but I mainly went to the store for Lydia Deetz bride costume. It wasn't that or the bride effect time, whatever I could find. But they had a lot of cool stuff for like to make for like a Lydia Deetz looking dress, like a bride dress. So I thought, because I went to costume contest tomorrow, like I was told like very shortly that there was a costume contest tomorrow, and they wanted me to go with them. So yeah, my friend, she invited me to go with her Genesis. I filmed a video with her. I'm not sure if it's gonna be posted before or after this video. Long, we'll see. But yeah, she told me she wanted to go to costume contest tomorrow downtown, or I don't know if it was downtown. I can't remember. But yeah. So I'm trying to do this costume contest, so hopefully I win. I'll let you guys know in the description, because by then I would have gone already, and I would let you guys know if I won or not. I'm also going to try to dress up my boyfriend as Beetlejuice, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so first let me pull out this dress. This is actually one of the first items I found. This is this dress. The orange ticket today was actually half off, so I got this dress for maybe like $5 maybe. And it's just a really long, like formal looking dress, kind of like a prom dress. Here's the top of it. It's kind of like lacy at the top, a little bit. Not really like Lydia's dress, but I thought it was a perfect length for it. And it's kind of puffy already, so yeah. I think it was definitely perfect. So yeah, so there's that. It's kind of silky. It's a really bright red, and I thought that would be a perfect, the perfect main piece for the dress. But anyway, so next, I actually found this other dress, and I thought it was perfect to layer over the first dress I found. And it's like really rough. The skirt's like very roughly, just like Lydia's. And it's kind of like a short prom dress, kind of. I found it like in dress section. This one wasn't on sale. It was like $7. Yeah, it was $6.98. So it was a little bit pricey, but I was like, it's perfect. I need it for the costume at least. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks at the end of the video. Probably just gonna have like a little bit like the video at the end. If you guys want to skip to that or not. Just wait to the end. Y'all see how it looks. And I layered this dress over the main dress, and it looks really perfect. It's ruffled. It reminds me of Lydia's dress for sure, and it looks very beautiful. It also makes the skirt look very full, so that's really awesome. Also next, I can show you guys. This is on top. This is just this plain black little tutu. I put it underneath the dress, underneath all the dresses, so that way it makes it look more full and fluffier, just like Lydia's. Her dress is like really puffy, so I think it'll make the dress look really puffy and stuff, so I like it. It's a lot of layers of dress, like it's a lot. It got really hot wearing it, so I took it off. That's why I'm not wearing it right now. The cameras keeps on unfocusing. It's so annoying. I'm so sorry guys if I keep getting unfocused. It's not my fault. But anyway, so next, this is actually, I put it up already. So I already tried on the dress right there. This is actually a piece of like lingerie that I found that was perfect. I thought, first of all, that would be perfect for the veil mainly, because I just want to put it on my head. Well, in the video at the end, y'all can see I have the veil on yet. I haven't made it yet, but I'm using these scraps for the veil for sure, because this is the scraps I left over. And this one actually made it into like a choker. I mean, it already has straps on it, so because like I don't really have like anything to sew with right now at the moment, and I don't have any safety pins like pinned together. But I left the straps on this part. I still make up the little tag on here, the size tag, but I'm gonna make this into a choker. Well, we already have, and it's gonna, cause like she has like a choker, like a turtleneck looking thing that has like lace, and it's like really roughly. And I didn't really get anything like that, but I saw this and I was like, okay, sick, I can make this into a choker. So yeah, so there's that. So I just get the little straps and I just tie it around my neck and then tie it in the back. So it works perfectly good with it, because like her dress is kind of like, it has like a lace ruffles over it on the side right here, and it kind of go down. So I think that looks pretty close to Lydia's bride dress. And of course, I'll be using this for the veil, tying it to her hair. I might take some pictures tomorrow with this camera, so that way for the thumbnail. I forgot to take pictures for the thumbnail right now, and I was like, crap, I took off my dress. And I don't feel like putting it back on because it's really hot. Like, because the house is really hot right now, so. Yeah, so I'll take pictures tomorrow for sure with this camera, especially for like the thumbnail. So that way y'all can see how it looks in the thumbnail. And also, of course, I'll be posting pictures on Instagram probably. But anyway, so moving on. I don't think I'm gonna use this for the costume at all, but I got this anyways because like I think it was half off. Might have been like $1. I'm not even sure. It's just a plain red cape that I found in the Halloween section. I mean, it's just a plain cape. And I thought maybe at first I was like, I can use this for belt, but I was like, no, belt's lacy. But I don't know. I just got this anyways, just in case I needed it. It was $3, so it was like $1 or something. It was half of $3. It was $2.98, so it came out to like $1.50 maybe. Yeah. So I got this just in case I needed it. And that's it for the Lydia dress pretty much. I got a big like prom looking dress, straplet. I had like little straps, spaghetti straps, and then I got like a fluffier like dress with ruffles on it. If you guys can find like a dress that's already long and ruffly, then that's perfect. All this is actually under $30. This is my receipt, and this I left it in the bedroom. I think I did, but I know the prom dress was like $10, but it was like orange tickets today, so it came out to half off of that, so that was $5. The shorter dress was like $7. I was like normal price. I think this skirt is normal price. Let me check. Yeah, I think it's a yellow tie. I took off the tie already, but if I remember, I think this was a yellow tie, so that was not on sale today. And then this was like the lingerie was like $3, and the cape was like $1.50. So I'm trying to think. I think that might be like less than 30. Cause I did buy some. I'm gonna show you guys other stuff I got for myself. But yeah, this definitely is less than 30. So you guys just gotta go looking at thrift stores. Like, luckily I found everything at one thrift store, so I didn't have to go to another thrift store nearby. But luckily I found everything there. Thank God. So yeah, so maybe you guys look around, try to find anything red, try like to think about it, like think about stuff, like look for pieces or like very similar. You can always alter them and cut them and sew them together and layer things, and you guys just gotta like get creative with it. It's, you know, I was just mainly looking for anything red. Like I was like, I need something long and red and lacy, but I found everything that's perfect. I looked in the Halloween section, I did find some stuff. I found the tutu in the Halloween section, and I think that's about it. The cape was in the Halloween section too. So definitely check out the Halloween section. Also look at the formal dresses and maybe like shorter ones. Think about layering stuff and like putting things together. But anyway, so next, moving on. Sorry, I'm talking a little past my camera's about to die. If it dies, I'll just turn it back on, but whatever, or charge it. But anyway, so this is actually half off too. This one came out to like $3. I thought this was really cute. I like the colors. I like the burnt orange, and it looks very fall. Like it looks very beautiful. I love it. I can like pair this up with like some dark orange makeup, and it's very beautiful. It's long sleeve, it's kind of turtleneck, and then it's short, so I love it. I don't know, for some reason I'm like attracted to like dresses that are like striped and like fall colors. You know, normally I don't wear a lot of colors, but I think these colors are beautiful. I love wearing like dark and gloomy colors. So yeah. But anyway, so also this next item I couldn't pass it up because it was beautiful. It was only like $2. It was $2.98. It was $3, but it's like lace. I mean, not lace, velvet, red and black scarf. I can also like wear it as like a shawl or something, like over my shoulders. And it's very beautiful. It has like flowers. Like, it looks red. It looks like a bloody red. Like it's really dark. It's like black with like dark red flowers on it. It's very beautiful and looks. I like the way it shines in the light. Like I couldn't leave this behind. And this is definitely something that I'd wear for sure. To like wear it like, over my shoulders with that. It's very pretty. And last but not least, where is he? My boyfriend got this for me because I love him so much, and he bought this for me. He said he would buy it for me, and I love it. Look at him. It's a little Dracula. He's so cute. Where's the camera focus? Sorry, guys. There it is. There's the camera. Yeah, so he's super cute. He was only like $2, and he has really cute sparkly red eyes. They're really cute, and he even had like little spider webs like on his little tux right here, his little shirt. It's really cute. I couldn't pass him up. I love him so much. I saw him, he was just kind of at the bottom shelf, just hanging, you know, just kind of thrown there, and I was like, I need him so much, and I love him. It was like a love at first sight with this little guy. I love him, he's adorable. But yeah, I had to have him. I found this little guy in the Halloween section as well. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I just want to show you guys this awesome thrift, I was saying Halloween haul, this awesome thrift store haul. Probably one of my best thrift store hauls, to be honest. I mean, I've actually had some really cool thrift store hauls in the past, but this one I was mainly looking for a costume piece. And of course I found some really nice items for myself as well, for everyday use. But yes, this is, the Lydia Deetz costume is definitely under $30. It depends on where you live, how much they price things there, but be on the lookout for like items, be thinking about customizing things and altering things, and you know, you just gotta like get creative with this. Yes, definitely look for like stuff that's red and lacy and like long fluffy dresses and whatnot. So yeah, it's gotta be on the lookout. You have to have a sharp eye, look at every single red item you see, and also try to find stuff that's on sale, because that would be really awesome. If not, I mean, it's not much of a deal. Thrift store stuff aren't really that expensive. I mean, roughly dress is kind of like expensive. I think it's probably the most expensive thing I bought at the thrift store today, like $7 or whatever. It's pretty cheap actually. So yeah, so I just want to show you guys the stuff I bought for my Lydia Deetz costume that I'm using for a costume contest tomorrow. I might also wear it for Halloween. I don't know. I haven't decided. Probably I'll be Lydia for Halloween again too. So, so yeah, this is gonna be fun. I also am using this as a prop as well. So I don't know if I'm taking it with me because eyeshadow. So we'll see. I'll take pictures of it though. But it's an eyeshadow palette. I did post. I'm not sure if I'm posted before or after this video, but I did do a first impression review makeup tutorial with this, so you guys better check that out. I'll put a link down below so that way y'all can see it. I'll definitely be using this as a prop. So yeah, so that is it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Also, before I leave, make sure you follow me both on Instagram and Twitter, Denise Draven as always. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Hey you guys, so I'm out dressed as Lydia right now. I tried going to 2 different cemeteries right now, and they were both closed because it's pretty late. Here's a mess. The wind just like messed it up, but yeah. April. So yeah, so we're at a convention center right now and trying to find a perfect spot to take pictures. So I really did want to take pictures at the cemetery, but it got late. I did my makeup too late and then we went out to eat. So whatever, the whole job that was worth it. So yeah.